Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss exercise problems based on arithmetic progression. So first exercise number 5.1. In this exercise, first main is, in which of the following situations does the least numbers involved make as arithmetic progression and why? So once again, I will repeat. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make as arithmetic progression and why? The first problem is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So once again I will repeat the question. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So solution. Taxi fare for first kilometer is 15 rupees and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. It means that the next kilometer it is rupees 8 more. So taxi fare for second kilometer is rupees 15 plus 8 is equal to 23, and taxi fare per third kilometer is again 23 plus 8 is equal to 31. So here 15, 23 and 31 so on is the series, and the difference between any two consecutive term 23 minus 15 is 8 and 31 minus 23 is 8. So the difference between any two consecutive terms in this series is same. Therefore this situation is in arithmetic progression. So this is in arithmetic progression. The next second example. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So once again I will repeat the question. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. So let us imagine that here initial amount of air is 16 liters, and each time how much air will be removed? 1/4 of the air will be removed. Each time 1/4 of the air is removed. 1/4 of 16, because total initial amount of air is 16 liter, and each time 1/4 of air is removed, and air remaining in the cylinder. So 16 liters the initial amount, then 4 ones are 4 4s are. So 16 minus 4 is 12 liters. So air remaining in the cylinder is 12 liters. Then after initial is 12 liters of air, then at each time 1/4 of the air is removed. 1/4 of 12 liter, 4 ones are 4 3s are. So 12 minus 3 is 9 liters of air is remaining. The next third time the initial air is 9 liters. Then each time 1/4 of air is removed. 1/4 of 9, 4 ones are 4 2s are 2.4 ones are 0.75 something liters of air. Then the series is 16 liters, 12 liters, because initial amount is 16 liter, 12 liter, 9 liter, and 6.75 liter something. So here the difference between any two consecutive terms, let us check the difference, common difference. 12 minus 6 is minus 4 and 9 minus 12 is minus 3. So the difference between any two consecutive terms is not same. Therefore this situation is not in arithmetic progression. Then third example. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So once again I will repeat the question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So here a cost of digging per first meter is rupees 150. Digging first meter is rupees 150 and cost of digging per second meter is 50 rupees more. 150 plus 50 is equal to 200, and each time 50 rupees will more. Cost of digging third meter also 50 rupees more. 200 plus 50, so it is 250. So the series is 150, first term is 150 and 200 and 250, so on. Let us check the common difference. The difference between any two consecutive terms is 50. The difference between any two consecutive terms is 50. Therefore, the given situation is in arithmetic progression. It is in AP. It is in AP. The next, fourth one. So the fourth example. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited a compound interest at 8% per annum. So once again I will repeat the question. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest of 8% per annum. So first here initial amount, or it is principal amount, interest earned, and total amount. So the initial amount is 10,000 rupees, or principal amount is 10,000 rupees. Interest earned 8% per annum, that is 10,000 into 8 by 100 is equal to 800. So total amount is 10,000 plus 800 is 10,800. Then next initial, this amount become a initial amount, means principal amount, because it is compound interest 10,800 and the interest is 8% per annum. 10,800 into 8 by 100 is equal to, so 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. 108 into 8 is 864. 108 into 8 864. So 10,800 plus 864 is 11,664, and the 11,664 now is the initial amount. So 11,664 into 8 by 100 is equal to, so here 2 4 2s are 4, 25s are 25 1s are 25 something, so 933.12. So 11,664 plus 933.12 become 12,597.12. So the series is 10,800, 11,664, 12,597.12, and the difference between first two terms is 864 and the difference between next two terms is 933.12. Therefore here the common difference is not same. See here, the first difference is 864 and next difference is 933.12. So here the common difference is not same. Therefore it is not in AP. This situation not in arithmetic progression. Next exercise 5.1, second main. So the second main is write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So once again I will repeat the second main. Write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So second main, first example, A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. Write the first four terms of the AP. So here A is nothing but first term. We know that T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to A plus D, T3 is equal to A plus 2D, and T4 is equal to A plus 3D. We have to find the first four terms of the AP, but they are given the first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 10 and T2 is equal to 10 plus 10 and T3 is equal to 10 plus 2 into 10 and T4 is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10, because the common difference is also 10. So 10 as it is, 10 plus 10 20, 2 into 10 is 20 plus 10 30. 3 into 10 30 plus 10 40. Therefore, the first four terms of an AP is 10, 20, 30, 40, so on. The next second example, first term is minus 2 and the common difference is 0. So we know that T1 is A, T2 is A plus D, T3 is A plus 2D, T4 is A plus 3D. But they are given the first term minus 2. A is minus 2 and common difference is minus 2 plus 0. And A is minus 2 and common difference is 0. A is minus 2 and common difference is 0. Therefore, the arithmetic progression is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, so on. So it is the first four terms of an AP. The next third one, first term is 4, common difference is a minus 3. Then the arithmetic progression, T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to A plus D, T3 is equal to A plus 2D, T4 is equal to A plus 3D. So T1 is equal to A, they are given T1 is 4 and T2 is equal to 4 and D is minus 3. T3 is equal to 4 plus 2 into minus 3 and T4 is 4 plus 3 into minus 3. So A is equal to 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1 and 3 2s are minus 6. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. 3 3s are minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. For the four terms of an arithmetic progressions are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. So these are the first four terms of an arithmetic progression. See the common difference. T2 minus T1, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. The next fourth example, A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to half, 1 by 2. So T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to A plus D, T3 is equal to A plus 2D, T4 is equal to A plus 3D. T1 is minus 1, T2 is minus 1 plus 1 by 2, T4 is minus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2, T4 is minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. Yes, here minus 1 as it is, first term is as it is, and the LCM is 2. Otherwise, 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. 2 get cancel here. So 2 ones are 2 1.5s are. Minus 1 as it is. Minus 1 plus 0.5 is minus 0.5. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 1 plus 1.5 is plus 0.5. Therefore, minus 1, minus 0.5, 0, plus 0.5, so on are the first four terms of an arithmetic progression. And the common difference is same. See, minus 0.5 plus 1 is plus 0.5 is nothing but half. The next fifth one, A is equal to minus 1. Sorry, A is equal to minus 1.25. D is equal to minus 0.25. D is equal to minus 0.25. So here the first term is minus 1.25 and the common difference is minus 0.25. But we know the arithmetic progression. T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to A plus D, T3 is equal to A plus 2D, T4 is equal to A plus 3D. So here T1 is equal to A is nothing but minus 1.25 and T2 is equal to minus 1.25 plus 0.25 minus of 0.25 is equal to minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. T3 is also same, minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25 is equal to minus 1.25 as it is, and here plus into minus, minus 1.25 minus 0.25 is minus 1.5, and here 25 2s are 50, 0.25 into 2 is minus 0.5, minus 0.5 plus 1.25 is minus 1.75, and here 0.253 is a 0.75, plus into minus minus, so minus 1.25 plus minus 0.75 is minus 2.00. Therefore, the first four terms of an arithmetic progressions are minus 1.25, minus 1.5, minus 1.75, minus 2.00, so on. See the common difference. Common difference is minus 0.25, minus 0.25 and minus 0.25. And next, third main. Exercise number 5.1, main, third main. So in third main, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So in this main, they are given some arithmetic progressions. We have to find the first term and the common difference. The first example, third main, the first example, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on. See here, this is one arithmetic progression. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 is one arithmetic progression. So here the first term a is equal to 3, and the common difference, we know that what is common difference? The difference between any two consecutive term, either t2 minus t1 or t3 minus t2 or t4 minus t3. So we will take t2 minus t1, d is equal to t2 minus t1. So t2 is how much? 1, and t1 is minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Therefore the first term is 3 and the common difference is minus 2. The next second example, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, so on, 7. So here the first term is minus 5 and the common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1. So d is equal to t2 means minus 1 and minus of the first term is minus 5. So d is equal to minus 1, minus into minus, plus 5. D is equal to minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So the common difference is 4 and the first term is minus 5. The next third example, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So here the first term a is equal to 1 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 3 and the common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1. Second term is 5 by 3 and the first term is 1 by 3. 5 by 3, 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. So d is equal to 4 by 3 is the common difference. The next fourth example, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, so on. So it is one arithmetic progression. So here the first term a is equal to 0.6 and the common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1. D is equal to t2 is 1.7 minus t1 is 0.6. So d is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. Therefore the first term is 0.6 and the common difference is 1.1. And next, fourth main, 5.1, fourth main. Which of the following are APs? Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference d and write 3 more terms. So once again I will repeat the main. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference d and write 3 more terms. So first example, 2, 4, 8, 16. So here they are given the some APs. We have to find whether they are in AP or not. So first term a is equal to 2 and the common difference. How to find common difference? T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2 and T4 minus T3. T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2, T3 minus T2, 8 minus 4 and T4 minus T3, 16 minus 8. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 16 minus 8 is 8. So here the common difference is not same. The difference is not same because T2 minus T1 is 2 and T3 minus T2 is 4. Therefore common difference is not same. The given progression is not in AP. Not in AP. If it is AP, we have to find the next 3 terms. But it is not in AP. The next second example, 2 5 by 2, 3 7 by 2. So we have to find only common difference, t2 minus t1, t2 minus t1, d is equal to t2 minus t1 and d is equal to t3 minus t2. t2 is 5 by 2 and t1 is 2, t3 is 3, t5 by 2, 1 2 the, so LCM is 2 here, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 2 the, 2 2 the, 3 2 the, 6 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. And next d is equal to t4 minus t3, 7 by 2 minus 3 is equal to, so here denominator is 2 and denominator is 1, therefore the LCM is 2, 1 2 the, 2 1 the, 7 1 the 7 minus 3 2 the 6, 7 minus 6 is 1 by 2. Yes, here the common difference is same, therefore it is in an AP. And the next three terms of an AP are t5 is equal to a plus 4d, t6 is equal to a plus 5d and t7 is equal to a plus 6d. So a, we know the a is 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2, a plus 5 into 1 by 2, 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 za, 2 2 za, 2 plus 2 is 4, here 1, the LCM is 2, 2 2 za 4, 4 plus 1 5, 9 by 2, 5 4 plus 9 by 2, and next 2 1 za, 2 3 za, 2 5, 4 9 by 2 and 5 are the next three terms of an AP. And next third one, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So first find the common difference, d is equal to t2 minus t1 is equal to, t2 is minus 3.2 and t1 is minus of minus 1.2, and t3 minus t2, t3 is minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, d, and next t4 minus t2, so t4 is minus 7.2 and t4 minus t3, so t3 is minus of minus 5.2 is equal to minus 3.2 as it is, minus into minus plus 1.2, minus 5.2 as it is, minus into minus plus 3.2, minus 7.2 as it is, minus into minus plus 5.2. So minus 3.2, 1.2. Here it is minus and here it is plus is equal to 1.2. 2 minus 2 0 and it is minus 2. And minus 5.2 plus 3.2 minus 2. Minus 7.2 plus 5.2 minus 2. Yes, the common difference is same. The given progression is an arithmetic progression. Then the next three terms of an arithmetic progressions are t5 is equal to a plus 4d and t6 is equal to a plus 5d and t7 is equal to a plus 6d. So a means minus 1.2 plus 4 into minus 2 because the common difference is minus 2, and first term is 1.2 plus 5 into minus 2 and first term is minus 1.2 and the common difference is minus 2. 4 2s are minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1.2 is minus 9.2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1.2 is minus 11.2. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 1.3 is minus 13.2. So minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2 are the next three terms of an AP. The next fourth one, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, so on. So here first term is minus 10 and we have to find the common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1, D is equal to T3 minus T2. So T2 minus T1, T2 is minus 6 and T1 is minus of minus 10 and T3 is minus 2, T3 is minus 2 and T2 is minus 6, minus of minus 6 is equal to minus 6 as it is, minus into minus plus 10 and minus 2 as it is, minus into minus plus 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is 4 and next one more term D is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to T4 is 2 and minus of T3 is minus 2 is equal to 2 minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 4. And here also the common difference is same, 4, 4, 4. So the common difference is same. The given progression is in an arithmetic progression. So the next three terms of an arithmetic progressions are T5 is equal to A plus 4D and T6 is equal to A plus 5D and T7 is equal to A plus 6D is equal to A is how much? 4 plus 4 into D is 4. A is 4, sorry, A is minus 10, A is minus 10, A is minus 10 and A is minus 10, minus 10 plus 5 into 4, minus 10 plus 6 into 4 is equal to, see here, minus 10, 4 4 is 16, minus 10 plus 16 is 6, minus 10, 5 4 is 20, 10, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, minus 10, 6 4 is 24, minus 10 plus 24 is 14. Therefore 6, 10, 14 are the next three terms of an arithmetic progression. The next fifth one, 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. So here common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, D is equal to T3 minus T2, D is equal to T4 minus T3. So first T2 minus T1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, remaining term is root 2. T3, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 is minus 3 minus root 2 because minus T2 is there. So plus into minus minus root 2 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. 2 root 2, 1 root 2 minus 1 root is root 2. And next T3, T4. T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus T3 minus 3 plus into minus minus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. See here the common difference is same. Therefore the given progression in an arithmetic progression, the next three terms of an progressions are, next three terms of an this AP are T5 is equal to A plus 4D, T6 is equal to A plus 5D, T7 is equal to A plus 6D is equal to A means 3 plus 4 into D means root 2, A means 3 plus 5 into D is common difference root 2, A is 3 and 6 as it is, root 2 is a common difference. Therefore 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2 are the next three terms of an arithmetic progression. 3 plus 4 root 2, comma 3 plus 5 root 2, comma 3 plus 6 root 2 are the next three terms of an arithmetic progression. The next sixth one, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, so on. So here common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, D is equal to T3 minus T2. So T2 minus T1 0.22 minus 0.2, T3 minus T2 0.222 minus 0.22 is equal to 0.2 minus 0.2 is 0.02 and 0.222 minus 0.22 is 0.002. See here the difference is not same. T2 minus T1 is 0.02 and T3 minus T2 is 0.002. Therefore the common difference is not same and the given progression is not in an arithmetic progression. It is not in an AP. in an AP. The next seventh example, 0, -4, -8, -12, so on. So here the common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1 and D is equal to T3 minus T2. So T2 is -4 and T1 is 0. -4 minus 0 is -4 and T3 is -8 and T2 is -4 is equal to minus into minus plus 4 and -8 plus 4 is -4 and D is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to T4 is -12 minus of -8 is +8, so -12 plus 8 is -4. So here the difference is same, the common difference is same, therefore the given progression in an AP and the next three terms of an AP are T5 is equal to A plus 4D and T6 is equal to A plus 5D and T7 is equal to A plus 6D is equal to A is 0 plus D is 4 into -4, A is 0, 5 into -4, A is 0 and 6 into -4 is equal to -16, -20 and -24. Therefore, the next three terms of an AP are -16, -20 and -24. And next eighth one, eighth problem, -1/2, -1/2, -1/2, -1/2, so on. So here, first term T1 -1/2, T2 -1/2, T3 -1/2 and T4 is -1/2. The difference between any two consecutive term is 0. T2 minus T1 0, T2 minus T1 0, T2 minus T1 0. Therefore, the next three terms are also same, -1/2, -1/2, -1/2. The next ninth one, 1, 3, 9, 27, so on. So here the common difference 3 minus 1 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6, 27 minus 9 is 18. See here, the difference between any two consecutive terms is not same. It's 2, 6, 18. Therefore, it is not in an AP. It is not in an AP. The next 10th one, A, 2A, 3A, 4A, so on. Here, the common difference is same. 2A minus A is A. 3A minus 2A is A. 4A minus 3A is A. So here the common difference is same. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A and next 5A, 6A, 7A are the next three terms of an AP. And next 11th one, A square, A cube, A to the power 4, so on. So here A square minus A cube minus A square means the common difference between any two terms T2 minus T1 is equal to A square minus A and D is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to A cube minus A square. A is common here, take it outside, A into A minus 1 and here also A is common, take it outside, A in, therefore the difference between any two consecutive terms are not same, therefore it is not in an AP. It is not in an AP. The next 12th one, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on. Root 2 write as it is. Root 18 is nothing but root 4 into 2. Again root 18 is nothing but root 9 into 2. And root 32 is nothing but root 16 into 2. So root 2 as it is. But we know that root 4 is nothing but 2 root 2. Root 9 is 3 root 2. Root 16 is 4 root 2. And here the common difference. Root 2 minus root 2 is 1 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 1 root 2. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is 1 root 2. So here the common difference is same. Therefore, it is in an arithmetic progression. And the next three terms are, see here, 1 root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. The next is 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. And next root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, so on. root 6 minus root 3 is root 6 minus root 3 because these are called unlike sets. These are called unlike sets, and it is impossible to subtract the unlike sets. Root 6 minus root 3 as it is root 6 minus root 3, and root 9 minus root 6, it is also same, root 9 minus root 6. Therefore the common difference is not same. It is not in an arithmetic progression. It is not in an AP. And next 14th one, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, so on. So 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49. So 9 minus 1 is 8, 25 minus 9 is 16, 25 minus 49 is 24. See here, 8, 16, 24. Here the common difference is not same. Therefore, it is not in an arithmetic progression. It is not in an AP. And the last one, 15th one, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73, so on. So 1 square means 1, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, and 73, so on. The difference between any two consecutive term, 25 minus 1 is 24, and 49 minus 25 is 24, and 73 minus 49 is also 79, 13, 24, because 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 73. So the common difference is same here, and it is in an arithmetic progression, and the next three terms of an arithmetic progressions are 73 plus 24, 7 plus 2, 97, 97 plus 24 is 121, 121 plus 24 is 145. So 97, 121 and 145 are the next three terms of an arithmetic progression. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts, please text your doubts in a comment box.